Max Defense Philippines received confirmation from Philippine Navy sources that the service has raised a request for funding and has initiated pre-procurement processes for the procurement of additional anti-submarine warfare (ASW) helicopters. The quantity varies depending on available funding, but a minimum of 2 additional helicopters are eyed, although it could be pushed up to 6 helicopters if luck is in the Philippine Navy's hands. Having a total of 6 helicopters will allow a helicopter for each of the 2 new corvettes, and 4 helicopters that can be assigned with the new offshore patrol vessels. While there was a push from the US with the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk, it will be competing against a strong competitor in the form of the Leonardo Augusta Westland AW-159 Wildcat. The AW-159 Wildcat is already in service with the Philippine Navy, and is said to be performing well. Also, Leonardo has renewed its commitment to the armed forces of the Philippines to provide support, after replacing its local country representative some time ago. The MH-60R Seahawk is more expensive, although there is a general consensus from other global navies that the MH-60R Seahawk is superior to the AW-159 Wildcat. It is interesting to note that by 2024, the United States Air Force will decommission many combat aircraft and helicopters, for a total of about 320 aircraft and helicopters, according to information circulating. One of the helicopters to be decommissioned is the HH-60G Pave Hawk, a close sibling of the MH-60R Seahawk helicopter, 37 units of which will be decommissioned. This may be a reasonable option for the Philippine Navy to acquire. The Philippine Army should request at least 12 HH-60G Pave Hawks for combat support if the unit is already decommissioned. We recommend purchasing HH-60G Pave Hawk helicopters, and the maintenance will not be too difficult with the service. The maintenance cost is also very low. The United States and the Philippines are seeking closer naval ties amid tensions in the region. Amid China's increasing activity in the South China Sea, the Philippine Navy is looking for more ships. By acquiring 12 HH-60G Pave Hawks, the Philippines can strengthen its air power and suppress Chinese military aggression. The Sikorsky MH-60 HH-60 Pave Hawk is a 4-blade, twin-engine, medium-lift utility military helicopter manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. It is a derivative of the UH-60 Black Hawk and incorporates the U.S. Air Force Pave Electronic Systems program. The HH-60 MH-60 is a member of the Sikorsky S-70 family. The HH-60G Pave Hawk is the U.S. Air Force's primary combat search and rescue helicopter used by Air Force Special Tactics teams and pararescue men. The HH-60G is also tasked to perform military operations other than war, including civil search and rescue, medical evacuation, disaster response, humanitarian assistance, security cooperation, aviation advisory, NASA space flight support, and rescue command and control. The Pave Hawk is a highly modified version of the Army Black Hawk helicopter, which features an upgraded communications and navigation suite that includes integrated inertial navigation, global positioning, Doppler navigation systems, satellite communications, secure voice, and have quick communications. All HH-60 gigaseconds have an automatic flight control system, night vision goggles with lighting, and a forward-looking infrared system that greatly enhances night low-level operations. Additionally, Pave Hawks have color weather radar and an engine rotor blade anti-ice system that gives the HH-60G an adverse weather capability. Pave Hawk mission equipment includes a retractable in-flight refueling probe, internal auxiliary fuel tanks, 2 crew-served 7.62mm or .50 caliber machine guns, and an 8,000-pound, 3,600 kilograms capacity cargo hook. To improve air transportability and shipboard operations, all HH-60 gigaseconds have folding rotor blades. Pave Hawk combat enhancements include a radar warning receiver, infrared jammer, and a flare chaff countermeasure dispensing system. HH-60G rescue equipment includes a hoist capable of lifting a 600-pound load, 270 kilograms, from a hover height of 200 feet, 60.7 meters, and a personnel locating system that is compatible with the PRC-112 survival radio and provides range and bearing information to a survivor's location. Pave Hawks are equipped with an over-the-horizon tactical data receiver that is capable of receiving near real-time mission update information.